I could swear this is an actual part of Last of Us. You ever play Last of Us, the video game?
No.
And there's these enemies and they're called clickers. You have to be quiet because they can't see, they're blind. But they have like hypersensitive ears.
Remember Quiet Game or something?
Quiet Place.
Yeah,
Similar to that. But the clickers, they make a sound, so it sounds like clicking, like I can't do it. What's up guys, we're here with JustTIM Trudeau, the German Prime Minister of Canada, and we're gonna go on a scooter road trip today. So what's the game plan,
we're
Prime Minister?
We're here in a wood.
Yep.
And we're going all the way up to here. And then up to the city area, and then we're going to have some waterfalls along the way. And
That's about like 40 kilometers of
a bit more than that.
Just please don't kill me, Prime Minister.
Try not to, okay?
Ling said that she'll kill you. If we get killed, then she'll kill you.
True.
Trying to figure out how to open this compartment here. So after 15 minutes and accidentally locking the vehicle, we figured out how to open the back. Safety first. Sign of the cross and then we go. Alright, Tim. Alright, mate, just take it slow. Get a feel for the bike, mate. Is this a different bike from the one you rode in Cook Island?
Yeah, it's a bit more modern.
So we're gonna go 43 k's north, hour and 12-minute drive. First we gotta get out of Ubud. There's heaps of traffic, and then once we're out on the open road, it'll be just cruising. If it'll take you an hour and 15 by car, it'll take you 1 hour by scooter because you could cut around all the traffic. We're out of traffic. Woo! So two of the major road hazards that can occur while you're riding a scooter in Bali: rolling coconuts and stray dogs. You gotta keep an eye out for both of them because it could be ugly. Before we left the city, we realized, holy shit, we need fuel. There's a monkey. There's a monkey. More monkeys.
So many.
Too many monkeys. Another monkey sanctuary, I presume. Ooh, pretty tasty.
Kind of nice, they have traffic lights, but they don't work, you know?
Yeah. It just says slow down. Ooh, a temple. JustTIM. Just so not ideal weather for scooting, let me tell you. Rain is starting to die down a little bit, so we're gonna get moving. It's been about 20 minutes, so 21 minutes and 11 k's to go. Alright, God, please don't rain on us. That'd be great if you could not make it rain.
Yeah.
Let's go! Woohoo! Yeah, it's alright. This is manageable. right, we braved the storm, but not without its casualties, as you can see.
Oh, wet.
All right, guys, we're gonna do some abandoned property exploration. Best case scenario, we'll find a ghost. So this is the Hotel Pondok Indah Bedugul, an abandoned resort. You pay a small fee of 50,000, so that's like $5 to enter, and you're free to explore, just take care. The owner that originally owned this resort was into some illicit things and the whole thing shut down. But we're here and we're gonna do some ghost hunting.
Never got finished or something.
They never finished it?
I think something like that.
And then just probably ran out of money and then just abandoned the whole project. And this is what you have. This is like something from Last of Us. Oh, careful. It's a bit slippery there. Careful there, mate. Oh yeah, it's super slippery. Gotta be careful on this stretch here. It really feels like I'm in Last of Us right now. This is very eerie. When do the zombies come running out? Yeah, I'd like to, I'll have a double Jack Daniels.
Yes, give me 1 second.
No ice because that'll give me diarrhea.
I'm sorry, we're closed.
It doesn't seem to be too many people here.
Yeah.
It's got 5 stars on TripAdvisor. What the hell?
Which way should we go?
Well, I don't know. You want to try this way?
Yeah.
Look at this. All of this very ornate Indonesian stonework, or this might be limestone. It is so much better that it just rained. Oh shit, Tim.
Enter this room.
Wet. Ooh. There's a sink. Oh, do you have your torch?
Oh yeah, 1 second.
Alright, Tim's gonna ghost hunt first. What do we got in there? Oh shit. Something moves. Bathtub. Toilet. Oof. This is like Resident Evil shit right here. That's not the toilet I'd want to use when I get the Bali belly. Hope that was mud. No, this would have been a prime room. I wonder if it's always this wet. Like there's puddles everywhere. That's... yeah. I don't think that's up to code. Whoa. Oh man. Not down there. Alright, Tim's taking point.
Whoa, okay.
That's another empty room. It's like destroyed but beautiful. Ooh. It's like your own fountain. In your own torch. Oh, it's getting dark. It's a good thing you brought a torch.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at it's so good that it rained. Because it would not be the same if you didn't have all this. Lined with footprint. How did you get that one up there?
Like this, you know?
It's someone as tall as Tim.
No.
There you go.
That's the highest one.
Justin Trudeau was here.
Yep, that's my footsteps. Lot of
And just trash everywhere. Let's do a quick scan of this. Whoa, water is pretty steep. Maybe, yeah, let's back up. You need full-on gumboots to go through here, especially after it rains the way it just did. We're just gonna skip that bit and move on up to the second floor. We got more footsteps.
for you today?
An ice cold bintang.
Bintang? That's something here.
Those are used tampons?
You got
This wood is slowly rotting. I barely have any mud on my shoe. Ah, okay, that sucks. All right. It's just dripping water. Tim. I lost sight of Tim. Ooh, the Prime Minister.
Actually, I found a deer, big time.
Oh, there's a dim time. Good. Just a big ass room. And we probably had like tables set up, social events. Or this is where it was supposed to happen. But you could literally slip everywhere because it's just wet and there's moss and it's slippery. And there's also broken glass. So it sounds like a terrible idea. Oh, I guess they're checking out. Do leave us a review on TripAdvisor, Google, Yelp, and tell them how you had a wonderful time. There were spots of broken glass here and slippery moss and green stuff and it's wet, it's muddy. I think they should fire their groundskeeper. So I guess we pretty much covered like the left half of it, right? So there's just that right bit to check out. All right guys, we're gonna make our way back into the hotel and explore the right part of the complex. So it looks familiar. How's it looking there? All right. These are probably like the discount rooms. Let's go upstairs, up to the second floor. It's more like a mezzanine. Whoa. That's cool. I wouldn't recommend stepping in there because, yeah, it doesn't look as deep until you step in it. Oh, this is the balcony that overlooks the main entrance. Right. So we're just gonna finish up here because security keeps looking at us like we should be going. I think there's a bit of liability involved, so they don't want people hanging around here too long. There's another area. Wow. We leave in 20? Okay. We'll be done by then. He said 20 minutes. Tim's gonna get some quick drone footage before they kick us out of here. So we gotta make this really quick and we gotta be discreet because I'm not sure if we're even allowed to fly a drone in this abandoned hotel. It's true, it's Indonesia. There are no rules. You fly the drone like down to the lower level and you see the security guard pointing at it.
What are you doing?
Pointing at it and cursing the drone. Because we're high up in the mountains now, the weather is primo, mate. No more humidity, all that nasty sweatiness that I felt in Seminyak is gone. It's fresh. It's fresh up here. I love it. Oh, Tim, why didn't you grab it out of midair?
I don't know.
You know you could just grab it and turn it over. Why didn't you grab it? Because you know I'm the drone expert. You know what makes me an expert? My friend's got a drone.
You beat me?
Yeah.
Well, that was cool.
All right, our time is up. I don't want to piss off the security guards anymore. So we're gonna ditch this place. It's been fun. 5 stars on TripAdvisor, Hotel Pondok.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, no problem.
All good? Super cool. Unlike anything I've ever done in my life. I think this is like gonna become a new hobby, no? Search.
My hobby anyway.
Tim's already been hunting down these abandoned places. That's what he does when he goes to Germany and wherever.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
I
That's
find these places, yeah. Let's look on Google Maps and then find these places.
try to find abandoned places.
Yeah.